I believe this subliminal is going to bring your all wishes come true. Things are about to change for you. May the overthinking and the doubt exit your mind right now. May the clarity replace confusion. May the peace and calmness fill your life. You have been strong long enough. It's time to start receiving your blessings. Trust me, you deserve it. Universe says stay positive and listen until the end for effective outcomes. Love guide us through all challenges. Love guide us through all challenges. Communication deepens our bond. Communication deepens our bond. Trust and respect make us strong. Trust and respect make us strong. Laughter and tears unite us. Laughter and tears unite us. Our commitment conquers all. Our commitment conquers all. We support each other's dreams. We support each other's dreams. Challenges bring us closer. Challenges bring us closer. We evolve and grow together. We evolve and grow together. Our love is unbreakable. Our love is unbreakable. Together we are unstoppable. Together we are unstoppable. Our love overcomes all obstacles. Our love overcomes all obstacles. Every day our bond strengthens. Every day our bond strengthens. Challenges only make us stronger. Challenges only make us stronger. We face the world as a team. We face the world as a team. Our connection is unwavering. Our connection is unwavering. Our hearts are forever connected. Our hearts are forever connected. We conquer difficulties with love. We conquer difficulties with love. Our relationship is invincible. Our relationship is invincible. Our love is unbreakable, and we face challenges together with unwavering unity. Our love is unbreakable, and we face challenges together with unwavering unity. We communicate openly and empathically, strengthening our connection every day. We communicate openly and empathically, strengthening our connection every day. Trust and respect from the foundation of our relationship make us invincible. Trust and respect from the foundation of our relationship making us invincible. Through laughter and tears, we grow stronger, building unbeatable bond. Through laughter and tears, we grow stronger, building unbeatable bond. You know, God timing is perfect. I know you want it now. The love you have been believing God for is coming. Your breakthrough is coming. I know you see others getting blessed, and it can be discouraging, feeling left out. But you are right on time. Your promise is coming. Comment Amen if you trust God's timing. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe us for more videos like this.